today on Ford on Ford. Ah, well, I'll be. Flipper Giver's Carb. So we're gonna rebuild this thing today. We'll start taking it apart. So we got here. There we go. Shake it down. Oh wow. This power valve looks beat up, and I believe that's the reason why it was dripping fuel into the. All right, y'all, new performance kits here by AED. We got new pump squirters, accelerated pump squirters, and a Holley 4150 renew kit that does multiple kits. Gosh darn it. Yes, sir. Ah, well, I'll be dead. But it sounds great. I'm tired. I don't feel good. I'm going home. At least I know idles now. I'll tune it up, tweak it out later. Peace.